The Testing Effect in Chunking with Memory by Michelle and Minah. Think of techniques you use when studying. Do you use flashcards? Highlight information? Do you reread and take notes? Or do you procrastinate and study at the last minute, cramming all the information? Well, there are two different methods of studying that help improve cognitive functions, such as memory. The first is called the testing effect. The testing effect is when an individual is taking a test on study material, and that process helps promote subsequent learning and retention of that material. An example of the testing effect would be taking practice exams that cover all the material you're trying to study. This way, it helps with recognition and recall. Multiple choice questions are usually recognition questions because you have to recognize which options are incorrect or correct. Short answer questions are recall questions because you are forced to recall and retrieve information after being prompted to do so. Another technique related to working memory is called chunking. Chunking is a process by which individual pieces of information are broken down and then grouped together. This allows individuals to process larger chunks of information in an easier way. For example, memorize a sequence of letters. You may have noticed that you could just chunk these letters out to just FBI, LAX, USA, FDA, NYC, DIA, and CSI. This is a lot easier for you to remember and be able to memorize long sequences without having to use too much cognitive effort. The testing effect and chunking are both techniques in order to help improve working memory and enhance long-term memory and retention.